Hey guys, what is up? I hope all of you guys are feeling good. Today we are back with another video. This is a really good video. I have a package right here that I got in the mail last night. Now it was shipped, as you can see, in, I think Always is a tampon brand. So I was shipped a box of tampons. But it's not actually a box of tampons. This is a mystery box that I bought from someone on eBay. I have no idea who this person is, and I have no idea if they're reliable, if they're trustworthy, or if they're just trying to scam me. The seller rating was really good. I was browsing around on my birthday trying to treat myself for a birthday present, and I happened upon this. So let's just take you back to August 30th when I bought this box. All right, so it's August 30th. I'm sitting at home on my laptop right now, and I've been looking at some mystery boxes for a while. I think I found a pretty good one. Hypebeast box designer inside. It's $500. $30 shipping. It's shipping from Orleans, Ontario, and the description just says Supreme, Gucci, Off-White, Bape, Guess, Stussy, Chanel, Yeezy, Adidas, Nike, Fila, Champion, all could be inside, but the buyer feedback is really good. He sold like 19 of these in the past 6 months, and everyone gave him good feedback. So I think we're going to buy this one. So yeah, the box came in the mail and it is here right now. It was originally wrapped in brown paper, except it had my address written all over it, and I wasn't trying to show you guys that. So we have the new cardboard box right here. Not the new cardboard box, but the cardboard box minus the wrapping of brown paper. First off, you can see we have a lot of paper. Weird. Okay, this is what we have inside. We have like a clear plastic box. This is really heavy. This probably weighs a good 8, 9, 10 pounds. I generally do really appreciate good packing on a, there's such a thing as over taping your package. What the heck? Okay, we got all the tape off, I think. The first thing looks to be some kind of pair of weird, guess these are Tommy Hilfiger shorts. Cool. I mean, these probably have absolutely no resale value, and I'm never gonna wear these. It's like khaki and then navy, and there's pockets, and there's a drawstring, and there's no belt loops on them. I'm never gonna wear these. If I had to guess the value of these in terms of what I'll be able to sell them for, $10. Like maybe $10. I'm just really hesitant to see what the rest of this box has, because like, I did spend $500. Oh, this doesn't look very good either. Oh, I mean, the tag is ripped on this. Nice, it's an Emporio Armani shirt that has 100% been worn. The tag is ripped on it. This is not looking very good so far. The guy had a lot of good seller feedback. This is looking really trash so far. Like, the tag is ripped on this. Look at that. I don't want this. Like, I can't fit it. I can't wear it if I want. If I had to guess, maybe I could sell this for $3. So we have $487 to go. This is the troll. He sent us a Toys R Us gift card. I wonder if there's any money on this. You know what? I'm gonna trust him. I'm gonna say there's $10 on this Toys R Us gift card. Bape. Oh shoot! I almost swore. There's a Bape bag, and I was like, nice, we have Bape, but this is not Bape. We have Gucci in here. Let's go. Okay. We have a Gucci snapback. I hope this is real. It feels like really flimsy, and like it's fraying and stuff, so it's definitely not new. This can't be real Gucci, can it? It feels really flimsy. Is this real Gucci? If this is real, it's just like a cheap, there's no way this is real Gucci. This is 100% fake Gucci. It's really cheap. It doesn't have much structure to it. It's just a Velcro strap. If this is real Gucci, dude, they are scamming everyone, charging $200 for hats. If this is real, I'm gonna guess and say it's $150. If it's fake, I'll sell it for $1. Okay, we have a, oh, is this real? We have one of these little Bape. See, this feels fake to me too. And it's too small to wear on my, this does not fit me, but it's a It's a Bape thing. This doesn't really fit me. I look like Yeezy busted now. Guys, do I look cool? Please tell me I look cool. I don't know if this is real or not. I mean, I feel like if it was real, it would be a lot better quality. Can you get your money back on eBay if they sold you a whole bunch of fake stuff? Like, this does not feel real. This feels like a really junky, weird piece of crap. Next thing we have is this Floral Bucket Hat from the brand Stussy. Now, I'm sure this is real, and this I could probably get $8 for, I'm gonna guess. I'm guessing it probably costs $30 in stores. I can probably sell this for $8. Probably have lice now for trying this on. This is a piece of garbage mystery box so far. We have fake Gucci, we have fake Bape. Maybe this is still part of stage 1 and he's still trolling us. What do we have here? We have, why do we have, this is just literally full of crap. This is just crap. This is like some piece of garbage Budweiser headphones that you get free from buying a can of beer. $5 maybe? What the heck? This is literally just a piece of crap box so far. There's nothing in here that is, I paid $500 for this. What the heck? I am getting severely pissed off right now because if I spent $500 on this and there's nothing in here. Nice, we got pens. I'm gonna sell these for $1. If you guys wanna buy these, $1. I'm actually putting all this stuff on my site because I spent freaking $500 on this. I wanna make some of my money back. A eBay gift card. This better be some sort of joke. What is this? This is a TDK. Is TDK a brand that we should care about? It's a fanny pack that people wear like this apparently now. And there's something inside of it actually. Durex condom. Yeah, we have a cork, a little Buddha pin. If this is floss, this, oh, cool. Nice. This is actually sick. Super Mario World 2 for Game Boy Advance. I sort of want to play it, but I'm selling this. This will be on my site if you guys want to purchase this. Oh my goodness. I am getting ripped the F off right now. A cigar or rolling paper? Maybe this is like for weed? Pre-rolled cigar cone. Yeah, this is definitely to stuff weed inside. I'm not gonna be using that. This continues to suck. Spearmint Freeze this is more rolling paper. And that is everything inside of this stupid little fanny pack. I guess I can sell this for $5 too. What the heck is this? I mean, at least this t-shirt looks nice, sort of. I can wear it. Fits me, it's my size. This is definitely worth nothing. This is just a crappy print on a white t-shirt from a generic brand. Do I even want to see the pair of shoes? They're freaking heavy. They weigh like 85 pounds. I'm feeling them. They're definitely Nike. There's a swoosh, really chunky bottom, no Air Max window, really flat bottom. What the? These are some beat to crap Air Force Ones. Oh, these are the DJ Premier ones? Or it says Premier on the back, but these are beat to crap. These are the DJ Premier Air Force Ones. Unless these things go, I'm gonna guess I could sell these for $40. They are a size 10.5, so I can't wear them. I'm gonna guess I can sell these for $40. I better be able to get my freaking money back here. Oh, there's a toque which has hair on it and has definitely been used. Has a fake gold chain, a Emporio Armani watch that is sized ridiculous. Oh, here we go. Doesn't even fit. Was this size for a 4-year-old? I have the skinniest wrists on earth and I can't even get it on my. This has to be a joke, right? This is not real gold. This is not heavy enough to be real gold. There's no way this is actual gold plating. Fake Gucci. Fake Bape. And I paid $500 for it. Look at this junk. I mean, if these turn out to be a bunch of money, I will hit you back later in this video and tell you that this is actually worth it. But like, this is garbage. This is fake. 100% this is fake. There's no way a real Gucci hat would like bend like this. And garbage, 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 garbage. I'm 100% getting a refund on this. This is complete and utter trash. I'm gonna see if I can actually get the refund. Hopefully I can. If I can't, all this stuff's gonna be listed up on my site, link in the description. Probably not immediately because I'm just really pissed off right now, but maybe later. Hopefully this is entertaining for you guys. I can't even be that upset because I paid $500 for something that I had no idea what it was from someone that I've never met in my life before, and I gave them $500. So I can't be super mad because I'm an idiot for doing this, but at the same time, no complaining, no complaining. Positive thoughts only from now on.